This next question requires us to be kind of creative. What we're going to do is write each numerator and denominator in each of these questions as a power, and then we're going to use the exponent rules to simplify. And we're going to express our answer as a power with a whole number base, and then we're going to evaluate. Now, these questions require willingness. More than intellect, they require willingness. Suppose we're asked to find, using exponents, the value of 9 over 243. Well, what we try to do is figure out what is 9 expressed as a power. And we can say that 9 definitely equals 3 to the exponent 2. And then we can say, what is 243 as a power? And this requires a little bit of work because it's not always obvious. So we use our calculator and we figure out that 243 equals 3 to the 5. And you might be saying, well, that's going to be done by trial and error, and you're right. It probably will be. Well, 9 over 243 therefore equals 3 to the 2 over 3 to the 5. We got that from hard work. Now we use our laws of exponents. 3 to the 2 over 3 to the 5 equals 3 to the 2 minus 5, which is 3 to the negative 3. So we've now done the first part of our question, which was to express our answer as a power with a whole number base. The second part of the question said evaluate. So since we know our answer is 3 to the negative 3, we now have to evaluate what is 3 to the negative 3. Well, 3 to the negative 3 equals 1 over 3 to the positive 3, which is 1 over 3 times 3 times 3, which is 1 over 27. Alright, let's try the next question. 343 divided by 49. Well, we could use our calculator just to figure it out directly, but we're trying to engage our thinking muscles, so to speak, on this one. So we figure out 343 is equal to 7 to the exponent 3. We do that from hard work, trial and error. And then we figure out that 49 equals 7 to the exponent 2. Well, 7 to the 3 divided by 7 to the 2 equals 7 to the 1 from the laws of exponents, quotient rule. Now that we have it written as a base with a as a power with a whole number base, we now have to evaluate it. Well, what does 7 to the 1 equal? It's a pretty easy question. It equals 7. We go to our last question here. We want to figure out 1 over 64 times 512. Well, there are different answers to this one, actually. It could come out one of two different ways, but we'll focus on using a base of 2. 1 over 64 equals 1 over 2 to the 6, and 512 equals 2 to the 9. Well, 1 over 2 to the 6 is another way of saying 2 to the negative 6. And we multiply that by 2 to the 9, and we get 2 to the negative 6 plus 9, which is 2 to the 3. If we want to evaluate 2 to the 3, we simply say that that equals 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8.